I was thinking about some kind of ideas where designers can design something that could be used for 3D printing and then uploading that onto like an Etsy kind of e-commerce site where people can buy a particular design and they can download it onto their 3D printer. And then, there you go. You get your personalized or customized design that you probably won't get in the kind of regular market. And I think that creates a whole new industry of designers that they can think about so many different type of things. And even as a hobbyist like yourself, when you want to make model cars and you think of an idea, oh, maybe I can make this part out of carbon and make it lighter or something. Then if you have an idea and you have a design, then you can potentially monetize that as well.
That is correct. I have some friends in the space that have been a part of the RC community for a long, long time. They actually started a business. They got a CNC machine. They got some other 3D printing stuff. They print towers. They print some, off-the-shelf parts that you can't get anywhere. They're very specialized. And obviously they sell them because it changes the performance of your vehicle, or it might be a cool gadget that makes it look cool. So it's both for cool or for performance or for both. But you're totally right. It's almost like these little micro markets are starting to appear, whether you're selling the stuff online or you're starting a little business. But you think about the scalability, right? It doesn't just have to be for the hobbyist world. Depending on how far you're willing to take it, it can start making a big difference in regular manufacturing, which is pretty neat.